Recycling in Australia has been a bit of a mess, but at Yarra, we're getting it sorted. Yarra's recycling revolution is all about improving the quality of what we can collect so it can be turned into something new. This means only collecting items we know can be recycled in Australia to grow our local industry. It's time to update your recycling know-how, because what goes in your yellow lidded bin has changed. Yes, please. Paper, cardboard, aluminium and steel cans, metal lids and some plastics, plastic bottles labelled 1 and 2, and plastic food packaging labelled 5. No thanks. Glass, aerosol cans, milk and juice cartons, and all other plastics including lids, soft plastics and bags. All items going in the bin need to be clean and empty. And please don't put your recycling in plastic bags. Otherwise, your bin will be marked as contaminated. Update your recycling know-how. The revolution starts with you.